Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be calling a few detailers from the LA area and seeing how much they charge, what services they offer, and seeing how their customer service is.
Hey, have you noticed over the last couple of years, there's been a lot of detailers coming in out of nowhere?
Yeah, popping up left and right.
A lot of them start from COVID.
Oh yeah.
Because they needed money. Now, do you feel that hurts the business?
Like the industry?
Yeah. Because you know a lot of these new detailers, they're charging low just to get customers.
It varies. I feel like the people that are established and well known in the industry, it doesn't affect them too much. But for everyone else that's starting, like everyone else that's a beginner and just trying to get their name out there, it kind of affects them a lot more than it affects the people that have already established their business in the area. Just because they're kind of like stepping on each other, trying to get the client instead of focusing on the quality and the customer service. They're focusing on the money, trying to get the quick sell, trying to get every client. But they'll learn eventually. They'll either burn out or learn from it and start changing the ways they're making decisions.
What vehicle are we gonna use as an example?
We're gonna be using my personal 2004 Acura RSX, a little two-door coupe.
How much would you charge for this detail?
So mini detail would be $99. If we did like a level 1 service, that'd be $249. If we did a new vehicle protection package, which would be like a one-step correction, 3-year ceramic coating, it'd be $998. A full interior detail with the exterior wash would be like $350.
The beginner one is a mini detail for $99?
Yeah, it's your entry-level package.
What does that consist of?
So it's an exterior detailed foam wash, clean the wheels thoroughly, barrels, face, tire, fender well, foam wash, remove the bugs, clean the windows inside and out, clean the door jambs, tire dressing, thorough vacuum on the inside, thorough wipe down, brush the crevices of vents, air freshener, and then spray wax.
All right, Tony, we're gonna call.
So this first person that we're calling, they have a 5-star review on Google, 80 5-star reviews. Hey, I have a 2004 Acura RSX. What kind of services do you guys offer?
A lot of things.
What is your like?
What are you looking to do, and then I can help you.
What is your like entry level package, or do you have packages?
We do have packages. Like we have 325 for sedan, 350 for SUV. That's wash, clay, and wax, and full interior detailing. And then we have ceramic coating. We have paint correction. We have scratch remover, polishing. So many things.
Do you guys do regular washes or no?
Yes, we do. We do wash it for 75.
Outside only or inside too, or?
Outside and inside vacuum and wiping down.
And then how much would it be? Do you guys do add-ons like engine bay and headlight restoration?
Headlight restoration, $90. Engine bay, if you do the top, it's $99.
If we did engine bay, headlights, and then the wash, and then can you do a full interior detail?
Yeah, do the interior. Well, it's better to do the full detailer for one reason, because interior detailing is what kind of car again? Acura what?
Our Acura RSX 2004.
That's the SUV, correct?
No, it's the two-door coupe.
So if you do the interior detailing, it's $225. If you do the wash outside, it's $50. So it's better to do the interior and the exterior for $325 for one reason, because outside we do wash, clay, and wax, but for only $50 extra. Because the exterior by itself is $200.
And then to add on the engine bay and the headlight.
Engine is $99 and the headlight is $90. Yeah.
So what would the total cost be?
$550. Exactly.
Nice. And then when would you have availability? Is it drop off or can you come to me or?
Yeah, you have to drop it off. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I have nothing tomorrow. Can we do it tomorrow?
I have to drop it off. There's no mobile service.
No, the engine has to be done in our location with the grease. You don't want to make a mess on the streets. And also, when you do wash and wax it, you don't want the sun and leave a water spot on the paint. Does that make sense? And the interior, where do you live?
I live in San Bernardino.
San Bernardino?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's far, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some time to drop it off.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, if you can drop it off, and I can have two, 3 guys on your car. That way we can finish it earlier. If you want to do that, and you can wait like 4 hours, I can do that for you. Usually it takes like 6 hours, but if you're coming from far away, I can put 2, 3 guys on your car.
Okay. I'll let you know. I'll get back to you right now.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That was pretty good. A 3-minute call, gave me a lot of info.
Yeah, well, what information did you get from this?
He's definitely a better speaker than I am. That was a 3-minute call, and I got pricing for a lot of things. He told me how many guys he's gonna put on it, a rough estimate on time. The only thing that I would say was like he was talking pretty fast. A little bit slower would be a little bit nicer. Since I know the detailing terms, I was able to capture them and like understand, but I feel like to the average consumer, they would struggle a bit and they would keep asking the same question like, oh wait, what is that? What is this and what is that? But since I already knew like the terminology, I didn't really have to ask about it again. But that's the only like con I would say would just be slow it down a little bit. That was pretty good.
Here's the thing, no mobile.
I think maybe he offers mobile, but only for like the washes. I don't think because he said since it was a bigger job to drop it off. The smaller packages, he goes mobile. So he starts off at 75. Our pricing is not too far off. So he said what, 515 for like a full detail. My pricing for this car would be like 500 bucks. Everything inside and out, level 1, full interior engine bay. And I actually like maybe like 550, 600 because I had lights. All right, so we're looking through Google trying to find one of the worst detailing spots or worst reviewed detailing spots in my area or in SoCal, but a lot of them are closed right now. It's 422, so a lot of them are closing early or whatnot, and we couldn't really find one that's bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess around with my homie Quan, who's another detailer in my area. I'm using Reyes's phone, so hopefully he doesn't notice my voice. I'm hoping he doesn't because I feel like I sound different over the phone. He might not even pick up.
You clocked out already too, Tony?
I'm gonna see if...
I'm sorry, the person you were trying...
I got another one.
And that detailer friend?
Yeah. Probably call him, he probably answer, I don't know. He put text only, like on Instagram, but I'm still gonna call him. Hopefully he doesn't recognize my, he might be like a little like this guy sounds familiar. But it's not the same number, so I think I know his pricing. But just see how his customer service is. So yeah, he might not answer, I don't know.
So, can I for a touch?
Hey, I was wondering how much would you charge for a 2019 Civic?
Okay, what are you looking to get done?
What type of packages do you offer?
We just, we offer anything, anywhere from basic washes to clay and waxes, and then our full paint correction and ceramic coating.
What is like a starting price?
Starting price is $80 car, $100 for SUV and truck.
So it's it'd be 80 since Civic. What does that include?
Just a basic interior vacuum wipe down and exterior foam wash, tire dressing and windows. That's including wax.
Is that mobile price or do I have to drop off or?
Yeah, I'd have to be dropped off.
Is there any way you could do mobile or?
Yeah, I can do mobile, but it'd have to be more than one vehicle or a higher package.
What package would be the minimum to get you to do mobile?
A level 1 clay and wax. Basically, we just smoothen the paint, remove any contamination, and then we add a wax, and then we do more of a thorough interior.
And how much is the pricing on that?
For a Honda Civic, I'll do for like 200, brother.
How much is you said you do correction and ceramic coating?
Yeah, paint correction and ceramic coating. Paint correction and ceramic coating starts at $750, but that's just our one-step polish. If you're looking for like a full paint correction and ceramic coating, starts at $1,000.
How long does the coating last?
We have a 2-year and a 5-year. For $1,000, it's 2 years, and then for the Civic, it's gonna be $1,200, and that's a 5-year.
My headlights are pretty bad. Would that be like with the correction? Would that make them like brand new again?
Yeah, so we'll include that in the correction and coating.
Would you be able to do that mobile or no?
No, something like that, we'd have to be dropped off here because it's a full-day process, and it's recommended to add the ceramic coating indoors and then let it cure indoors.
He did pretty good, but he's probably like, "What the heck?"
You hung up?
I started laughing. I was like, I was gonna do it when he told me the price, but
You should have.
I should have done it when he told me. But I was like, "Oh no!"
And then just hung up.
Oh man, I wonder if he ever texted me. I don't think he noticed it was me though.
Nah. Well, you won't now. He's gonna watch the video.
That was he'll probably realize later on. That was funny. That was good. Like a 2-minute call. So sorry, Joseph, for wasting like 2 minutes of your time, but we just had to get that done. He's like, "What the heck?" I'm pretty sure he heard me like go. That's why I hanged up because I'm gonna start laughing. I was like, no. I feel like the more you do this, the better you get at like answering phone calls and whatnot. The only thing is, for me, especially like when I'm on site on the job services, it's very difficult for me to concentrate on that phone call. I don't want to space out, and when they're asking for prices or services, I'm like, if I'm doing something, I'm like, snap, I gotta be concentrated and focused in whatever I'm like trying to do. I need the environment to be quiet. Like sometimes it's usually loud, cars moving around, or if I'm outside doing mobile jobs. So he's probably in his shop chilling right now, or maybe he was working on a car. I'm not too sure. So there you guys have it. That was us giving a call to 2 detail spots, seeing how their customer service was, how their services, what pricing was structured, what they offered. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more of these type of videos. I enjoyed making this type of video. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. We'll make more of these. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.